How's everybody doing today? I want to go ahead and get into this video. Actually, I'm getting ready to show you guys how you can integrate ClickFunnels and Zapier.
3, 2, 1.
And let me tell you guys about ClickFunnels first. I don't know if you've seen any of my other videos, but you can see a lot about ClickFunnels. I pretty much use it every day, and a lot of entrepreneurs should use it as well. But ClickFunnels is actually a sales page builder. That's how they market themselves as. But you can build membership sites in ClickFunnels. You can build websites in ClickFunnels. You can build landing pages, opt-in pages, and you can pretty much do a lot with ClickFunnels. So if you are looking for an easy way to make a web page or a website, or to get online, whatever business you're in, whether you're a plumber, whether you're a doctor, whether you are a lawyer, whether you or a health coach, whether you're in network marketing, you need to find a way to get online. So ClickFunnels is actually a way for you can do that. It's pretty much just a drag and drop software builder or landing page builder, which they tell you right here, it's a landing page. It makes sales pages, upsells, and membership area. And that's pretty much the funnel. Then you send emails, which I really hadn't paid attention to this website. Actually, it's a pretty good website, which is obviously built in ClickFunnels. But these are actually the type of different companies. These are the different companies that actually use ClickFunnels. If you're interested in ClickFunnels, the link will be below. But the reason why I am doing this is normally there is an integration. So actually, these are some of my landing pages here, and I'm actually going to open them up just so you can see how easy it is to use ClickFunnels. And if I open up the page and I edit it, there's a mechanism right here which says send my free ebook, and usually there's an opt-in right here which I need to actually go back and put that in there. Well, actually this probably opens up, this actually opens a pop-up. So if you want to, hold on, I got this Zoom thing in the way. If you want to show, this actually shows a pop-up. So people put their name and their email address in here, and this button right here actually submits the page. But usually with this submit the page button, you can actually open this up, and then if you go over here and you hit set option, it should say submit the page. But the issue that I am having is I no longer have get response. When I first got ClickFunnels, which is probably about 4 years ago now, I've been a member of ClickFunnels for 4 years. And when I first purchased ClickFunnels and got ClickFunnels, I was using GetResponse, but I had some issues with GetResponse as far as their customer service support and everything like that. I really have no major issues, only had one issue. That's kind of why I left. Nothing bad against GetResponse. I love GetResponse, but I just had one issue with them, and I wanted to actually switch over. But AppSumo was running a special on a particular app. If you don't know what AppSumo is actually plethora of various software and apps that people can use online, or actually that online marketers use. And if you have a business online, if you're looking to transition, you need to check out AppSumo. So that link will also be below. But the AppSumo was running a special on an autoresponder, and I actually got it and purchased it. But the issue is there are no integrations in ClickFunnels with send, or actually with SendFile. So if I go over here and I hit integrations, obviously you're going to see the different type of integrations right here, which GetResponse actually comes up. So, but the issue is there are no integrations in ClickFunnels, which actually, let me show you guys how you can get to the integrations in ClickFunnels. I got to remember how I did that. I don't remember. It's been a while since I set it up this way. Let me go to settings, which some of this stuff will probably have to be edited out so you guys can't see my account. But if I go to settings here, and then I go, you click on settings and you go integrations. So these are the different integrations that I had connected. It's saying that it could not connect because obviously I don't have a GetFunnel or GetResponse GetFunnels. Now there's a business opportunity for you, but I don't have a GetResponse account. So if I hit add integration, You can see all the integrations that ClickFunnels has right here, which obviously they integrate with Facebook. Pretty sure, obviously, I just told you about GoToWebinar. They have Aweber, which is another autoresponder, ConvertKit, which is an autoresponder, Active Campaign, which is an autoresponder as well. And I know you guys know about GoToWebinar. You've probably been on some webinars with GoTo, and these are pretty much, obviously, Zoom is just became what, $1 billion company, I think. So I know you guys know about Zoom and use Zoom, Shopify, obviously, but Kajabi, MailChimp. But there's a lot of different applications that ClickFunnels does connect with. But if you notice, there is no SendFox. So what I needed to do and what I had to do was I actually had to use Zapier, which Zapier is a way that you can communicate between different apps. If you're a programmer, obviously you can go on the backside of ClickFunnels and you can actually program a way to actually send, or once a user comes to your ClickFunnels page, puts in their email address, then it will submit the page actually to SendFox, and then SendFox will actually send them an email. If you're a coder, you can do all that on the back end, but I'm not a coder. But what Zapier does, or Zapier, however you pronounce it, I've heard people pronounce it different ways. So whatever Zapier does is it allows ClickFunnels to communicate with SendFox, and it creates the code for it. So the easiest way to do that is you actually go to Zapier. You have to make an account. Actually, they do have a free account, but not all the apps are included. So you have to see which ones you can use for free and for not. But actually, if you go down here and you hit create a Zap, once you get in, create your account and all that stuff, you will actually use different connections. Actually, all these apps will come up. And if your app is not in here, Zapier has a wonderful support team. You can actually reach out to their support team and they will actually build an app for you or build a code for you. And then you can pretty much connect it yourself. Because I've had some issues with a couple of softwares that I was using, and I was trying to connect two different softwares together, and I had to reach out to the support team at Zapier, and they were pretty responsive, and they helped me, actually very responsive, and they helped me create the app. So if you're actually trying to connect ClickFunnels with SendFox, you're actually going to have to put ClickFunnels first, which obviously my account's already in here, so it's going to be a little easier for me to do that. But if not, all you have to do is search for the app, and you go down here, and obviously I have ClickFunnels, which I chose the app, and then you connect, which depending on whatever you want to do, but usually once I have new activity in ClickFunnels, I am going to actually just click new activity. I want to trigger. The trigger is when somebody comes to one of my ClickFunnels pages and opts in, I want to send them an email via SendFox. So connect to ClickFunnels first. Actually, I go in. If this is the first time that you are using Zapier and ClickFunnels, it's going to ask you to log in. So if I click continue, and go down here, and then obviously that is my ClickFunnels account because I'm obviously already logged in, and I guess you can create multiple accounts, and then actually all of my funnel steps will come up. So all of my funnels that I have are actually connected. So depending on which funnel I want to connect, I can just connect this one, and then all of my steps will come up within this one, which it's loading slow for some reason. If you can see, you had the little circle on there. And then if somebody comes to, well, obviously nobody's going to opt in on the thank you page, but if somebody comes to this opt-in page, whatever this is, and they put in their information, it's going to actually send a message. So what it's doing now is actually checking each step of the Zap. So I'm actually creating a Zap. So it's checking each step of the Zap. So right now, it wants to test to make sure that it is communicating successfully with ClickFunnels. So once this page should change, which I know I opted into this. So if I hit continue, and then I hit test trigger, as you can see, all this stuff comes up. So the test is good. So now I hit continue. And what it's doing now is going to step 2. So it's saying we've connected fine with ClickFunnels, and somebody has opted into ClickFunnels, which what it does is it's pulling the last opt-in. So whoever the last person was to opt in, that's the data and the information it is going to pull. So what it's doing now is it's going to step two, is saying we have information from ClickFunnels, and it's trying to figure out where do you want to send the information that we receive from ClickFunnels. So obviously, like I told you guys, we are actually going to send the SendFox. So just like I said, if this is the first time you're logging in, you're going to have to find each one of these. Like I said, you're going to have to find ClickFunnels, you're going to have to log in, and then you're going to have to find SendFox, and you're going to have to log in. But since I have used both of these apps and all of my information is set up, then all of my data is stored. But once you decide you want to use SendFox, you go into SendFox, hit connect, and whatever you want to do. Actually, I want to find a list. So what I am saying is, once Zapier gets information from ClickFunnels, once it receives it from ClickFunnels, Zapier is going to send it to SendFox. But what I want to do is I want to send the person or the information that it has gotten, which is really, the information is really a person who has opted in. So I want to actually send those people, or to send that person, to a list inside of SendFox. So like I said, once you log in, it's going to actually pull all of your data up and all your list up in SendFox. So now what I'm doing is I need to actually, well, select my list and then hit continue. Create a SendFox list if it does not exist. So there's the information that we have from ClickFunnels. So what we want to do is we want to tell it what we want it to send. So we actually want to send the email, and we want to send first name if it has it. And we also want to send contact profile, first name, this. And if it has a phone number, we want to send that. And that's pretty much it, just based off of this. So if I hit continue, so now you're seeing that the app is good, and you can actually just turn on the app. But I'm not going to use this app. I'm actually going to delete the app. That's how you connect ClickFunnels and SendFox via Zapier. So you guys have a good one. Check you out on the next one.